In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using Relume. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Relume's website, which is relume.io, and of course you want to create an account or sign in. Now, once you've done this, you can then go ahead and get started. So first you'll need a new project. Click on New Project top right over here. And then once you click that, it's going to start loading on your screen. There we go. And in here, you can then start by building your sitemap and your wireframe over here. And then you can go to Style Guide, which is basically where you can build your website. So let me just show you this. Now, we're going to go ahead and click on sitemap over here, and we're just going to basically give it a description. Now, this is AI powered, so you can basically prompt this. And I'm just going to click on try example over here. And then basically you can select the number of pages you'd like. For me, it's going to be 1 to 5, and then the language, and you can click on Generate Sitemap. So once you do this, it's going to start generating your sitemap over here. As you can see, it's quite efficient. It's working quite quickly. And there we go. It says, boom, sitemap complete. Now, over here, you've got a sitemap, and this is how it looks like. Of course, you can change anything in case you would like to. Just double-click inside a field, and then you can just add, remove, or basically alter some things in here. So this is now your main sitemap over here. After you're done with this, you can then go into wireframe, and over here it's going to start loading as well. As you can see, this is now kind of loading up for you over here. It's going to automatically start. It's going to take can take a few minutes because of course this is going to start AI loading everything. But yeah, after it's done, you'll be able to see it, and then of course modify everything in case you would like to as well. So as you can see, there's not really much you need because AI basically does everything for you over here. And yeah, there's multiple of these, as you can see, because it gives you multiple different options. However, inside the free option I'm using right now, it only shows me one. Now, if you want more, you're gonna have to upgrade to one of the plans they have over at Relume over here. So once you do this, as you can see, you can just view it in case you think it's good. In case you don't think it's good, so you can just add pretty much anything over here. You can basically set the text. You can generate things with AI over here. You can generate copies, shuffle components, etc. So you can pretty much do anything you want in here. You can change names. So yeah, it's quite convenient. It's very easy to use. You just click on a section over here, and then you can basically edit anything you would like by just clicking on your screen and then selecting things here on the left. Now, what they also do have now is the style guide. So if we go to the style guide over here, as you can see, this is now the same style guide. So if I go to wireframe over here, this is now basically the wireframe of our website, but over here in the style guide, this is where you can basically stylize pretty much everything. So let's just see this. Now, as you can see here on the right, this is now kind of a basic website, which just looks colorful and stuff. So it's basically exactly the same thing as over here. It just has colors, images, etc. So in here, you can basically change anything you would like. Okay, so you can change and edit pretty much all the colors on here that you would possibly like to change, as you can see. So, example, I'm gonna make this like black over here, and then you can basically just click on your screen and it's gonna start flashing as well because AI is gonna just do its magic over here. And you can adjust anything. You can adjust colors, typography, you can adjust UI styling, cards and images, buttons and forms. So anything you want to do, you can actually do it in here. So you can also set it from a light theme to dark theme down here, so you can see what it would look like. You can select if you want a PC, a computer, or a mobile view over here, so you can see that as well in case you want to. And you can also expand preview, so you can see in full screen what your website's going to look like. Okay, let me go back now. You can add with the plus button over here, you can add different coloring patterns, which you can then just add in here. And yeah, so basically this is pretty much what there is to it. So you can also go to brand over here. You can set the logo. You can upload it, you can make it bigger, you can basically change its appearance and pretty much everything. So yeah, you can just start, as I said, by building the sitemap, and once you do this, you can use AI if you want to. If you don't like parts, you can delete them. You can then make your wireframe over here. It's going to generate it automatically, but you can literally just change anything you want again, and then inside the style guide, you can basically stylize it and make it the way you wanna. Now, after you're done, of course, you can then just export it to any of these over here, so Figma, Webflow, React, or HTML. You can also export to TXT, CSV and then to Excel. So yeah, you can do a lot of things on here. It's very easy. You don't need any coding because it's all done with AI. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.